I am Saroj Kumar, heading engineering at GM and design. As an Axis engineering company, we are in high pressure die casting, gravity die casting, and low pressure die casting. We are designing as well as we are manufacturing, or we are delivering quality also. So in this journey, we are more than 12 years in the company, and I am with company since last 1 year. When I joined, तो उस टाइम पे इनके पास 2 मशीन्स थी STM की, बट अभी मशीन की क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी मिली हमें, हमारी डिजायर्ड जो क्वालिटी है वो हमें मिली है, इसके लिए हमने अभी और 4 मशीन्स और ऐड की हैं. इन फ्यूचर हमारी और भी प्लान्स हैं ऐड करने के लिए. सो वी आर गेटिंग आवर डिजायर्ड रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम दिस मशीन्स एंड वी आर हैप्पी, and we are getting proper support from the STM people whenever required. So it is really good thing for us. In future, if required, we can recommend these machines, STM machines, to the business owners. We are having same portfolio of the business here who are in same field. So we will be happy to recommend also.